Hello everyone. We discussed next question. X and Y are partners in joint venture, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:1. X supplies goods to the value of rupees 10,000 and incur expenses accounting to rupees 800. Y supplies goods of the value of rupees 8,000 and its expenses amounted to rupees 600. Y sells goods on behalf of the joint venture and sales, or it may be sold, rupees 2,000, 24,000. Y is entitled to a commission of 5% on sales. Based on sales, Y is getting 5% commission. Now Y settles account by bank draft. Now we need to prepare the ledger account. See, in the books of Mr. X, because we need to prepare the Y. So in the books of Mr. account, joint venture account, see, the first one, goods are to be purchased at the value of 10,000. So to purchase account, and expenses accounting, expenses paid by the co-venture, both the co-ventures 800, and Y going to be supplies the goods, supplied goods at rupees 8,000 and paid the expenses of rupees 600. Total Y's expenses is 8,600. Individual account, co-venture account. See, next one, Y sells goods on behalf of the joint, sales is 24,000. Based on that you are getting commission. So commission you are getting, see, so Y's account, so 24,000. Based on that you are getting 5% commission, 1,200. Total of the both side you are getting less in debit side, so that to profit and venture, so that particular own share of profit will be debited to the P&L account. So 3,400 into 4 divided by 5, because 4:1. So 2,720 Mr. X and Mr. Y 680 you are getting. Total of the both side is 24,000. The next one, Y's account, another co-venture, debit credit, sales made transaction 24,000, and Y paid in the expenses in the joint venture activity. So by joint venture account, materials in goods supplied 8,000, expenses for that 600, total is 8,600, and Y is getting commission based on the sales 1,200, 5% of sales, and Y getting the profit 680, and the difference in figure will be transferred to the bank account, so 13,520. And what are the journal entries are to be involved? The first one, any goods are purchased, S. By joint venture account data to purchase account 10,000, and expenses paid by the co-venture. So joint venture account data to co-venture cash or bank account, so 800, and goods supplied from Y. So joint venture account data to Y's account 8,000, and joint venture account data to Y's account, being expenditure incurred by Y. See, expenditure incurred by Y 600, and Y's account data to joint venture account, 24,000, that is being sales made. Joint venture account data to Y's account, based on sales Y is getting commission, so 1,200, and joint venture account, that will be transferred to the own share of profit, X account. So how much you are getting here? 2,720, and Y is getting 680. So total profit is 3,400 to the joint venture activity, and finance and being balance paid to Y by bank draft, so that bank account data to Y's account 13,250. We see the one more problem. Ram and Rahim entered into a joint venture sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Ram is to be purchased timber in Bihar and forward it to Rahim. In Gujarat, Ram purchased timber worth rupees 30,000 and paid 3,000 as expenses. Rahim received the bill and immediately accepted Ram's draft for rupees 24,000. Ram got it discounted for rupees 23,550. Rahim deposited to the timber rupees 48,000. He had to spend rupees 1,050 for fire insurance and rupees 900 for rent under the agreement. He is entitled to a commission of 5% on sales. Now we need to prepare the ledger account along with the journal entries. the books of Ram only. See, the ratio is 2 and those people purchased the timber rupees 30,000 and 3,000 as expenses paid by the co-venture, and bill immediately paid by the Ram is 24,000, and you are getting the total accepted bill is 24,000 but got discounted 23,550, and timber deposited 48,000, that will be sales, and 1,050 that will be fire insurance, and 900 from rent, personal expenses paid by Rahim. Now we need to prepare. See, in the books of Ram, joint venture account, debit, credit. So particulars, timber purchased by Ram only, so 30,000. So that will be individual, own share of any purchase of material, that will be debited to the bank account. So to bank account paid by the Ram only. So to bank account expenses, see how much, 3,000, and Ram going to be taken the all the Ram accepted the bill 24,000 but he got discounted 23,550, so 450 he got discounted. So to discount account, and Rahim account, the co-venture paid the other expenses like fire insurance 1,050, rent 900. The total expenses paid by Rahim is 1,950, and based on the sales he is getting the commission. By Rahim account sales 48,000, based on that he is getting commission 5%, so 2,400. So difference figure will be profit on co-venture, own share of profit, that will be deposited to the P&L account. So as the ratio of 3:2, so 10,200 into 3 divided by 5, 6,120. Rahim account 10,200 into 2 divided by 5, 4,080. So total of the both side is 48,000. Now we need to prepare the Rahim's account. So debit, credit. To joint venture account, sale made by Rahim 48,000 and expenses paid by Rahim, so in the joint venture activity. So by joint venture 1,950, and he got commission, so by joint venture account 2,400, and that Rahim part of profit will be received, so by joint venture account 4,800, and he received the bills receivable 24,000, and by the difference figure will be transferred to the bank account. So that will be balance carried down 15,500, 570. The total of the both side is 48,000. Now we need to prepare the journal entries. See the timber purchased by Ram, so that joint venture account at R2, bank account purchase to joint venture activity 30,000, 30,000, and expenses paid by Ram, so joint venture account at R2, bank account 3,000, 3,000, and bills received, so bills receivable account at R2, Rahim account 24,000 each, and bills receivable realized, sold, the value of bills receivable is 24,000, is getting he made sale but he got the discounted 450, and he taken the value of 23,550. Next one, if any discount charge S is getting discounted, he got discounted and the rupees of 450, so joint venture account at R2, discount account, and he made the sales, Rahim's account at